Hello, welcome to the Arena Assembly Guide. For the first part, we're going to put the bottom structure together, then we're going to attach the desktop. After that, we're going to have the net underneath. To begin, we're going to start with the leg and the feet, and we're going to attach those. So what we're going to want to do is have the leg facing this way and attach it so it's perpendicular with the box at the bottom of the leg. Put the screws in diagonally. For the next part, you're going to want to have the two larger metal pieces that has the L and the R representing the left and the right side. There's going to be two sets of those, and what you're going to do is attach those two larger pieces to the smaller one. What's going to happen is these four holes are going to attach to these four holes on the smaller metal piece. So when you attach it, these flaps are going to be at the bottom side of the table. Attach them with the L facing forward, and you want the screw into that side. Once you're done with inserting the screws into the metal rails for both sets, you're going to want to line them up with the holes to the legs with the box facing inwards. So once they're lined up, you're going to want to have packet C screws and washers, and then insert them into the holes. And these you're going to also want to have a little bit loose as well. And for the next part, you're going to want to have the table on a protected surface with the bottom part facing up. And all you got to do is just simply put it together. Then you're going to have the understructure and just place it on top. So it lines up with the holes on the table. And then you're going to take the screws and put them in each of the holes. And again, you're going to want to have it a little bit loose. Once you get all 14 screws in, you can start tightening them. Then you're going to take the package E screws, which are for the net, and you're going to put them in these holes and in these. Then one here, here, this one, and this one right here. And then lastly, you're going to put on the net. And done. Then if you'd like to adjust the feet, all you have to do is screw them in or out to find the right level. If you'd like to adjust the height, all you have to do is loosen this screw right here with your Allen wrench and find the height that fits you, and then tighten it. And then finally, for the full surface mouse pad, just gotta roll it out. And place it on top. And there you have it. Your new Arena desk is all assembled. For more gaming gear like chairs, desks, glasses, and microphones, you can go to Arozzi.com or Arozzi.se.
Thanks for watching. Have a good day.